I was about halfway through with this before I realized that I should be videotaping it. So what do you do if you don't have a can opener? I mean, you know, I usually have a Swiss Army knife that has a can opener in it. And I usually have something else too in my bag or whatever, maybe a P38 can opener. But it's always good to have options. Now, knife snobs won't like what I'm doing here, but knife snobs will also, they'll say that's not what a knife is for. Well, a knife is for all sorts of utility purposes. And of course, I won't mention any brands other than this brand, but I will say that this $25 or so Schrade Uncle Henry LB7 has stood up to all kinds of rough use, and it's not showing any doesn't seem to be any worse for the wear. In fact, after I bought this one, I found on eBay an older, original Schrade version and bought it. But, it's kind of although it's a using knife too, it, they're not making any of those anymore, so I might be a little bit more leery of using it hard than this. The thing about this one is, it's $25 new, or maybe $30, depending on where you buy it. And in fact, after I had this one for a while and used it and everything, I decided to, I saw on Midway they had them on sale for like $21 or something. And so I decided to go ahead and buy another one and just set it back in reserve. So if something ever happens to this one, then I've got a backup. So there you go. I was going to open that can. I was just, I was looking around. I was going to grab my regular hand crank. It's not a swing away, but it's the company that used to be Swing Away, I think. And it's made just like the original old Swing Away. It's a good one. And I'll show you that since I'm talking about it. But it's made in USA, and it's called, well, I don't see a name on it, but it's exactly like the old Swing Away that I had that finally wore out, and it works like it. So anyway, that's what I was going to open that can with, but I decided to try this just to see how well it would work. Alright, thanks for watching.